What's up, YouTube? Welcome to more trades. Okay, this is going to be a quick update. I recorded an update and unfortunately the audio was out. I'm going to make this quick. We had this move up. I was talking about it in my previous video. I was saying we could have a move up and then we continue lower. So this is a move up. Are we going to continue lower now? We're going to find out. We were at the value area low when I was recording, and I was telling you that this could be a point where if you're interested in a long, this is not a bad place to take a long. I believe it was around the 25th or 26th, and if you did that, you would gain the 7% move up. There is still another possibility that we even go higher, but this 7% with a bit of leverage could have got you mad gains. Now, if you take this trend-based fib and you mark it out like this, it could show you a bullish target of up to 1983. So that's a target you could watch for. You could come as high as that or even 1935. Now, if you take a Fibonacci retracement and you look where are you from the previous swing low to a swing high to swing low, you are at the golden pocket and you are getting rejected. So that's a thing to be concerned about. That's the golden pocket over there between 1913 and 1923. You could get rejected badly over there. I told you we could have a move up, then a move down. This is a move up now, but you are above the 50 EMA on the 15 minute. You're still holding it even on the 15 minute. On other time frames, you are above it. This could be a point where you say, okay, I will take a chance to long this, at least up to these liquidity levels over here, these wicks, and then come down, form a perfect double top. It is double topping, but not perfectly. If we come down, then my targets to the downside could be, if you lose a POC, 1867, you have the 1850 horizontal support followed by 1796. So you do have targets. If you start losing the POC, then you should know that there could be a possibility you come as low as 1796. That's another trade you could take. You are rejecting this ascending trend line that you are holding, this trend that you are going up on. You are rejecting it as resistance. You could pump up. Volume to going up was better than volume coming down. So you can see the spikes of green volume are bigger than the red volume. On the 4 hourly, you could see that. Look at this. When we started moving up from the 23rd, our green volume was higher. Not amazing volume, but still, nevertheless, it's an increase. Now, volume has decreased. It does happen sometimes when you consolidate, but just be careful. This is a pattern we talk about so many times. We come up, then come down. And if you go on a higher time frame, you could see it's still possible to come all the way down to 1850 because we have this big green candle. We do this pattern over and over. It is very possible that we even come and wick all the way up to take this exactly to the dollar. That could even happen. It has happened before. Then we come down. However, you are above the 50 EMA on small time frames, but on big time frames like the 4 hourly and possibly the hourly, you are very far from the 50. You're quite far from the 50. There's a chance you come down, retest the 50 EMA at around 1880. Some people trade towards the 50 EMA, so now you are far from the 50. I'm going to trade it all the way to the 50, 1850, 1845. Within the next 4 to 8 hours, the cloud will move. So just be aware that things could change. It's all due to news, debt ceiling increase, and Hong Kong and China accepting crypto and all of that. But after the dust settles, there's a big chance that things start going down. I'm not going to be perma bear and I'm not going to be a perma bull. I'm just telling you the possibilities. 1983 is still possible. You could short it from here all the way to here at least, or at least to the POC. And because you got rejected from value area high, there's a tendency to come back to the POC maybe and then bounce up. So this is a target you could trade short to with a stop loss above previous wick, or at whatever point you are at the trend line. Say if I start breaking the trend line, I'm out of this trade. You could even long it on smaller time frames. You are at the 50 EMA, you're holding it, trying to go, but you're wicking the to the upside. But you could trade it to at least the top of this wick, and if it continues, then you're good with a stop loss at the bottom of this wick. So it's all possible. It's all up to you. All right, hope you liked it. This is the update on Ethereum. Join the free Discord, subscribe to the channel, smash the likes, and don't forget to hit your notifications on to not miss out on these updates.